Why pay full price when you can get money back on the things you already buy? In this video, I'll explain how cashback apps work, share some of the most popular ones, and show you how to use them effectively to maximize your savings. Plus, I'll give real-life examples of how much money you can actually get back. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart money-saving tips. When you're trying to save money, it often feels like every dollar slips through your fingers. Groceries, gas, clothes, and little everyday purchases pile up until you wonder where your paycheck went. But what if there was a way to get some of that money back without changing your lifestyle or giving up the things you enjoy? That's where cashback apps come in. Cashback apps reward you for spending money you were already planning to spend. Instead of paying full price at the grocery store, on Amazon, or at your favorite coffee shop, these apps give you a percentage of your purchase back, either as real cash, gift cards, or credits. Over time, these small savings can add up to hundreds of dollars a year. To show you how they work and how to maximize them, let's count down from 10 to 1.10. Start by understanding how cashback apps work. At the foundation of saving with cashback apps is knowing exactly how they function. Companies like Rakuten, Ibotta, Honey, and Dosh partner with retailers to drive more customers to their stores. In return, these apps receive a commission when you make a purchase, and then they share part of that commission with you as cashback. It might seem small at first, maybe 2% or 5% on certain items, but when you think about how much you spend annually, the numbers add up quickly. The key is realizing that this is free money you'd otherwise leave on the table. Once you know the system, it becomes easier to approach everyday shopping with a cashback mindset. Point 9. Pick the right apps for your lifestyle. Not all cashback apps are created equal, and using the wrong one could mean missing out on savings. For example, if you do a lot of grocery shopping, Ibotta or Fetch Rewards may be perfect because they specialize in supermarket receipts. If you love online shopping, Rakuten is ideal because it covers thousands of websites. Meanwhile, Dosh automatically links to your debit or credit card, giving you cash back at participating stores without even having to think about it. The secret here is to avoid downloading too many apps and overwhelming yourself. Instead, select 3 or 4 that align with your spending habits and master them. Point 8. Learn how to stack rewards for maximum value. The real magic of cashback apps comes when you learn how to stack rewards. Imagine buying shoes online. You can first click through Rakuten for 5% cashback, use a credit card that gives you 2% cashback, and apply a promo code HONEYFINDS for another discount. By stacking, you aren't just saving once, you're multiplying your savings. Many seasoned savers swear by this technique, and while it takes a bit of planning, it can turn a $100 purchase into $85 or less after rewards. Over the course of a year, stacking rewards can mean hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. Point 7. Track your earnings and stay consistent. One mistake beginners often make is treating cashback apps like a fun experiment they use once in a while. But consistency is the real game changer. If you commit to using cashback apps for every eligible purchase, whether that's groceries, gas, or Amazon orders, you'll start to notice your balance grow steadily. Many apps let you cash out through PayPal, direct deposit, or gift cards once you reach a threshold, often around $20. Keeping track of your earnings can also be motivating. It's satisfying to see that a few dollars here and there eventually add up to a free weekend getaway, new gadget, or even extra emergency savings. Point 6. Avoid overspending just to earn cashback. This is a trap many people fall into. They get excited about earning 5% or 10% back and end up buying things they don't really need. The entire point of cashback apps is to save on purchases you already plan to make, not to justify unnecessary shopping. For example, if you buy a $200 jacket just because you'll get $20 back, you're still out $180 you didn't need to spend. The golden rule is simple. Never let cashback drive your spending choices. Instead, let your budget guide your purchases and use cashback as an added bonus. Point 5. Use cashback apps for essentials first. To make the most of these platforms, start by focusing on everyday purchases you can't avoid. Groceries, fuel, household supplies, and even utility payments can often earn cashback through apps like Ibotta, Upside, or Dosh, because these are items you would buy anyway. There's no risk of overspending. For example, if your monthly grocery bill is $500 and you earn 5% back, that's $25 saved in a single month, or $300 a year. Multiply that across multiple categories, and you'll see why this method is so effective. Essentials are where cashback apps shine the most, and that's where beginners should focus. Point 4. Cash out strategically and reinvest your savings. Earning cashback is only half the battle. What you do with that money matters just as much. Some people blow it on small treats, but a smarter approach is to put it toward bigger financial goals. For instance, you could transfer your PayPal cashback to a high-yield savings account where it can grow. Or you could reinvest it through micro-investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Think of your cashback as bonus money that can speed up your savings or investments. Even small amounts, consistently added, can compound into something meaningful over time. Point 3. Keep an eye out for special offers and bonuses. Many cashback platforms offer seasonal promotions or higher than usual rates with certain retailers. For example, Rakuten often has double cashback events where the regular 5% jumps to 10% or even 15%. Ibotta may feature special deals where you get extra cash for buying specific items. If you time your shopping around these offers, you can maximize your returns. The trick is not to wait endlessly for deals, but to stay alert and take advantage when the opportunity matches something you already planned to buy. Point 2. Combine cashback apps with a solid budget plan. Cashback apps are powerful, but they work best when paired with a disciplined budget. If you know your monthly categories, like $400 for groceries, $100 for gas, and $200 for online shopping, you can plan to run all those purchases through your cashback apps. This way, you not only stay within budget, but also squeeze every bit of value from your spending. Think of cashback apps as a financial sidekick, boosting your budget instead of replacing it. With the right mindset, every purchase feels more intentional because you know it's working for you in multiple ways. Point 1. Treat cashback as a long-term lifestyle, not a quick trick. The number one rule for saving money with cashback apps is patience and consistency. You won't become rich overnight, and if you expect hundreds of dollars in the first week, you'll be disappointed. But if you treat cashback as a lifestyle, just like brushing your teeth or paying your bills, it becomes a natural habit. Over a year, you'll be surprised at how much you've saved. Over 5 years, it could mean thousands of dollars that you redirected toward debt repayment, savings, or investments. The key is to think long-term and make cashback apps a permanent part of your financial routine. Cashback apps aren't a gimmick. They're a modern way to make your money stretch further without major sacrifices. By choosing the right apps, stacking rewards, focusing on essentials, and cashing out wisely, you can transform tiny percentages into significant yearly savings. The countdown from 10 to 1 shows that the real secret is not just downloading an app, but learning how to integrate it into your daily habits. Once you get into the rhythm, you'll realize that saving money can be effortless, rewarding, and even fun. Cashback apps are one of the easiest ways to save money without changing your lifestyle. You just shop and earn. If this video helped you understand how to use them effectively, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more money hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.